Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Sweatcoin app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, tap on the person's icon at bottom right corner and this page will be displayed. Now tap on your profile icon at top left corner and then access your account settings by tapping on this cog icon. Once you do that, a list of options will appear on your screen. Simply tap on the Help feature and then select Other Queries on the next page. After that, access this PayPal FAQ from the list and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside it, you can see it is written that at the moment, it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal. It is also mentioned that you don't need to wait for it, as the possibility of availability of this feature is approximately zero in the near future. But there is a workaround that you can use to utilize your Sweatcoins. For that, close all of the settings, then tap on the shopping bags icon and the shop section will open up. Here, you can just participate in PayPal gift cards and get them in exchange of Sweatcoins. So that's basically how you can withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.